you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have VineOh. This is the Ooh La La box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so VineOh seasonal box just arrived, and this is the Ooh La La box. VineOh does send me this for review, so thank you so much, VineOh, for sending me your amazing seasonal box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is their brand new seasonal box that just launched. You can get this box right here, and this is the Ooh La La box. I'm so excited to get into here. This is how it comes. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have. This is one of my favorite seasonal boxes. I have my top 3, and this is one of my top 3 seasonal boxes. And I've been getting this for a very long time. I know I got this for like a year before they started sending it to me. So even if they weren't sending it to me, I would still be showing you this box because I absolutely love this box. And I love wine. And I love the goods that they give you, and I just love everything about this box. So let's get in here. So when you receive their and you see me back here, you see me? I see you. When you receive their box, when you first open it up, let me show you. There's this box right on top. This is where you get your goods. If I can get it out. Right here. Okay. So down inside of here, and then down in here is where you have your wine. They actually added something else in here so I can show you. I just thought I was gonna be able to tell you about it. Now I get to show you as well. So that's super, super cool. Okay. So if you use my code SheCrafty when you sign up, not only are you going to get a 3rd bottle of wine free for the lifetime of that membership. It normally comes with 2 bottles of wine with your normal subscription, but thanks to VineOh and them hooking you guys up, they're giving you 1 extra bottle for free of the time you have that subscription active, and you'll get the 1-time free cup as well. They sent me one of the ones that I don't know if there's different prints on them, but they sent me the glass to show you guys. So when you normally get your box, this is how they store the wine. I've never had anything broken or anything. The way that they design these are just perfect because I never have anything wrong. So let's get the wine out. Ooh, I don't think I've tried this one before. This is a new crush California Pinot Grigio. That one looks really good. See, I've tried one that kind of looks like that, where it has it's like a fingerprint shaped like a heart, but I don't think it was this new crush. I'm not sure, but here's a new crush. This one is California Pinot Noir. There's that one. I just love wine. I'll just drink it and drink it. So here's 2. The 3rd bottle. This is Speechless. This is a Chardonnay. So here's the 3. Now, when you do sign up, you can tell them if you want to do red, white, a mixture of red and white, or sweet. But here are the 3 bottles of wine that I received. Now let's look at this glass really quick, and then we'll get into the goods. So this says, every day is a party. Jumbo stemless wine glass. Okay, I was like, damn, this thing looks like it would fit a whole glass, because I have one, I have a cup that will hold a full bottle of wine, and this says that it does the same thing, holds 1 full bottle of wine. So it says cheers, holds 1 full bottle of wine, like this size. If you get the bigger bottles, it's not gonna hold it all. But the standard small, like these size bottles, it will fit. So I don't know if this is glass or plastic just yet, but we're gonna find out. Ooh, it's glass. Yes, it's glass. And it's kind of like a frosted, almost like a frosted pink color. And then it just says cheers really big, but that's glass. So that's awesome. Let's see what's inside here. I just love this box. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Here are all of the cards. These in here, one of them will go over every item with the total, and then 1 individual card per item going over more information about the products. But that's what it looks like when you first open it up. let's see what we have. Let me pull the cards out. So yeah, so one of them will go over the whole entire thing, and it says that the total value is $134 or more. And it just depends on which bottles of wine you receive. Now, it's $134 or higher, but if you use my code, your very first box will be $174 or higher for that third bottle of wine and the cost of that large wine glass as well. So let's go ahead and start pulling the items out. So the first thing right on top will be this. Let me remove the plastic. So it's down inside of here. So this is probably going to be the jewelry item. We normally have some type of a jewelry item, some type of a food item, and then just all kinds of just amazing products. Ooh, that is actually pretty. I'm not a yellow gold wearer, so I will pass this down to one of you guys to enjoy, but it looks like a nice little tag, like a gold tag with a rhinestone right on top. It's really pretty. I just, if it was silver, I would totally rock it. I just don't care for yellow gold myself, but this is a Zaxi gold disc necklace valued for $28. So again, super, super pretty. The rest of it is back there. It looks like it is definitely adjustable, but I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it right back inside this bag. And it says, this gold necklace from Zaxi is the perfect addition to your jewelry collection. It's a great everyday necklace that features a floating cubic zirconia with just the right amount of sparkle. Its simplicity makes it classy to wear alone or layered with other necklaces for that on-trend look. Oh, fun. Gold-plated, hypoallergenic, cubic zirconian, 18-inch chain with the 3-inch extender. So that's all the information. I will set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy. Ooh, this one's kind of a little heavy. This says Aqua de Soy, Bamboo Water Lily. There's that. Let me find the card for this. Oh, is this a candle? Yeah, it's a candle. You guys know I love me some candles. So, no wonder why it was heavy. Ooh, that smells so good. It's like a nice, fresh scent, kind of like a spa retreat. That smells really good. I can't wait to burn that. So this right here, it says, burn this amazing scented soy candle while you are sipping back and relaxing from a long day. These candles are made of natural 100% soy oil with a burn time of 50+ hours. It is perfect aromatherapy, mood elevation, relaxation, or way to enhance any space you choose. Handmade in the USA, and there was an assorted scents. So the picture on here has like a orangish box, and my box is nice and bright and colorful. So that's awesome. We have a candle, which smells amazing, and I love some candles. That is valued at $20 for that candle. So this must be our treat for this seasonal box. This is Moonstruck Portland, Oregon Creamy Milk Chocolate. It's a 3-ounce chocolate bar. This right here is valued at $4, and it looks like they would have sent an assortment of chocolate bars because I see some different colors right there. So it says, oh yum, these chocolate bars are sure to make your day. Made from sustainable cocoa, Moonstruck Chocolate Co. Classic bars are perfect for every chocolate lover. The flavor combinations are sure to surprise and delight. All natural ingredients, assorted flavors, 3-ounce bar. And it says visit moonstruckchocolate.com and use promo code VineOh10 for 10% off. Expires 5/31/21. So there's that. Oh, the candle company says you can use promo code VineOh30 for 30% off. Expires 5/31/21, and that is at the company's website is THESOI, C as in Charlie, O.com. That's for the candle. And then, oh, sorry, the jewelry, if you wanted to check that out, visit Zaxi, ZAXIE.com and use promo code VineOh25 for 25% off. Expires 5/31/21. Okay, so now that I've caught up on all of the promo codes that I missed, this is the chocolate bar for this month, which is awesome. And Kenra, I love Kenra. I use the shampoo and conditioner. What is this? time-saving air styler. Ooh, I've never tried this product, but I will love to try it, especially if it'll help cut down some drying time on my hair. Kenra Platinum Air Dry Cream, valued at $22. So this says the Kenra Air Dry Cream 6 is the perfect addition to your hair care routine and is ideal for all hair types. This product dramatically reduces air dry time up to 59% and enhances natural body for effortless looks with a finish that feels product-free. This time-saving style cream delivers a delicate hold to tame frizz and resist humidity. That's awesome. I can't wait to try that, especially with the humid, because it is very humid here in Florida. So again, that's valued at $22. Now, the last item in here, you guys, would have been a few different things as well, but the gist of it, they were all the same, just could be a different design. So mine, let me pull it out, which I absolutely love. This is the one that I got. It says Quill to Paper is I think that's the brand right there, Six Trees Home Decor Box Sign. Mine says 3 little words: live, love, wine. It looks like there would have been another one that says all you need is love and a nice bottle of wine. But so it would have been a different variation, but these are valued for $12. You can hang them or you can just set them. That is super, super cute. I'm definitely going to put this around my wine bar area. The designs again vary. It says these high quality hand finished wood sign boxes are the perfect addition to your home decor. They are sure to add character and style to any living room, kitchen, or bar. Oh, cute. And that is really cute. And you guys, it is heavy. Like, it feels definitely of quality. I've had a lot of different like decor things like this that are in like the little wooden box frames, and they're always so light and just cheap feeling, which this actually feels of quality. And I do like the little distressed look that's on here. I think it is really nice. And there is that. So that is everything that came in this seasonal box, you guys. 4 times a year. This is just one of the ones for this year, and I'm absolutely loving it. So we got this sign right here, which would be a different variation. You have a Kenra hair product, which I'm super, super excited about. You have an amazing smelling candle, which could have been a different scent. You have a chocolate bar sent at random for the type of chocolate bar. And then you have a necklace as well. And if you use my code, you'll have 3 bottles of wine. If not, you'll have 2. And if you use my code, you'll have one of these upon sign up as well, which will hold a full bottle of wine. When they say just 1 cup is all you get, okay, no problem. I'll bust this bitch out because I'm going to put 1 cup worth and I'm going to make it count. So I love that. I'll just have 1. I'll just have 1 cup. That's fine. I'll put my whole bottle in that 1 cup. I love it. If you guys want to know a little bit more about VineOh, this is $59.95, I believe it is. Let me grab my book here. Yes, no, $59.99. I couldn't remember the cents part of it. So it's $59.99 and you get over $120 value in every single box. Again, this one is $134 or higher based on the value of the wines that they put. But if you get that 3rd bottle and everything else, it's going to be $174 for this box, you guys. That's a lot. You get to choose if you want whites, reds, mixed, or sweets when you do sign up. You pay quarterly or you can do a whole annual to save some money. Then you sit back and relax and it'll just be delivered to you 4 times a year. Again, you'll normally get 2 bottles of wine, 5 to 6 full-size products that could be anything from fun, rejuvenating to delicious surprises. You get an incredible value of over $120 in every single box, and it's quarterly. Only 4 times a year. You can also do a gift subscription if you wanted to send a box to somebody. You can do a one-time gift subscription. I think that one is $69. If you don't do a commitment and just send a box, I believe so. But you can also send a box to somebody as a gift. Mother's Day is coming up. That's an idea if you would like to send a box to your mother to have some wine and some amazing goodies to go along with it. That's an idea you keep in the back of your head. And yeah, so that is everything that I have to show you for this seasonal box. I am loving everything that is inside of this box, but I'm loving this box in general. That's just how it is. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in this seasonal box? Do you like VineOh? Have you got VineOh? Do you want to get VineOh now? If you do and you've never signed up before, definitely use my code so you can get that third bottle in every single box. And then you can have my 1 cup wonder that holds a whole bottle of wine in it as well. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.